Good morning, faith leaders. Welcome to break time. We're in Proverbs 14:22. It says this: do not those who plot evil go astray, but those who plan what is good find love and faithfulness. Wow, I think this is very pertinent for your workplace, because it does seem like the end result of our work, our effort, is financial gain. It does seem like the end result of what we do should be some sort of prosperity or some sort of material possessions. Not that any of those things are bad, but when we have to plot evil schemes to get those, then we've crossed the line. Our end results should always be love and faithfulness. Those who plot with the Lord, though, you can guarantee that will be the end result. Love and faithfulness. That actually should be our goal and aim in every kind of capacity as we go to work. Our first scheme, for lack of a better word, that word seems so evil, but it's not. If we scheme to love with no alternative purposes, I can guarantee you're serving God in your capacity. Those relationships and that love, it works inside the workplace. That should be our first and ultimate goal as we walk in. Remember that your first goal is not your paycheck. It's not the financial gain that you get out of it, because you can get a big paycheck and ruin a whole lot of people's lives. And that's exactly what this passage is talking about. You can get healthy material possessions and yet shun all the people that God has placed across your path. I'm pretty sure on your death day, it's not going to be because you bought the biggest house in the town that you live in that people are going to be applauding. It's going to be, did you leave this heritage of love and faithfulness everywhere you go? That are the words that people will be remembering and speaking about you after you're gone. So you combine the creativeness that God has given you. You use your job for His glory, but you use it as an influence to build inside of His kingdom. And these two key words right here, but those who plan what is good, you will find love and faithfulness following you around like your best friends. You won't be tapped into the evil schemes of this world. So God bless you as you walk in this love and faithfulness today, because you're going to find it, because that's what you're looking for. That's what faith leaders look for in everything that they do. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.